congratulations, Steffi. Congratulations for doing this great job. Congratulations ninyong tanan o maayong udto.
Having this Sugod Bazaar, and if you are supporting this, it's not like you are just supporting me as the organizer of this, but you are supporting the entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs, mga MSMEs na to in general. We are helping providing jobs to the community, helping our economy, diba?
I hope this would be a long-lasting endeavor para sa nag-organize ani kay ang kayuhan sa atong Sugod Bazaar, kayuhan po sa atong lungsod sa Sugod.
Welcome to Sugod Bazaar! So I hope all of us, let's help each other promote this place. This is a fine place to go with our family. Good food, good vibes, and a Sugod Bazaar!
So this is it. We are bringing you the top first class Sugod ng Tambayan. So I hope everyone enjoy and good morning.